beautiful people, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. So guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new here, please kindly hit the subscribe button and give this video a huge thumbs up. As you do that, God bless you. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So guys, today we're just going to do a random makeup tutorial. Just random, just doing the makeup randomly. So guys, we're just going to start with the eyebrows, and if you want to see how I achieve this lovely makeup, guys, keep watching the video. As you do that, God bless you all.
Day in, day out, it's the same road we're walking down. Same job, same town, 'cause we've been told that's the way our world goes round. Walking on the grounds we've always known, stepping on the footprints in the snow. But when it melts, the other ways will show. We're gonna make the footsteps on our own.
Okay, so yeah guys, we're done with the eyebrows. I'm just going to quickly set that, and before we jump right into the eyeshadow, setting that. Now I'm just taking our eyeshadow and we're taking this dark color just to blend out the crease area, blending out the crease area, so guys, as you can see, blending out the crease area. So after blending out the crease area, we're just going to take like a dark color, a darker color, is the black, just to fade at that outer corner of the eyes. Fade out the outer corner of the eyes, guys. As you can see here, just to give the eyes more definition and more definition. So after that, guys, I was trying to see if it was okay. So now after that, guys, we're just going to take that yellow color and add it right there to the center of the eyes. We're just going to add it right there. I'll try to blend it out so everything goes together, because with makeup, blending matters a lot, and I'm still trying to perfect that because it matters a lot. So I'm still trying to perfect it out, all of that, the blending and everything. So a lot of people go to school for this, but I choose to learn it myself by watching maybe other makeup tutorials as well. So now we're just going to blend that out. So after blending that out, guys, we're done with the both eyes. Already added my eyelash glue. Now we're going to clean the face for the foundation. So guys, keep watching and Voila.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn, can you stay and I will grow? Grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you my mysteries. I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny, your love makes me feel alive. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try and to change it. I wanna be loved by you. Loved by you. Loved by you. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn, can you stay and I will grow? Grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you my mysteries. I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny, your love makes me feel alive. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try and to change it. I wanna be loved by you. Loved by you. Loved by you. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn, can you stay and I will grow? Grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you inside of me. In this sense that I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it.
Day in, day out, it's the same road we're walking down. Same job, same town, 'cause we've been told that's the way our world goes round. Walking on the grounds we've always known.